Hi, today we're taking a look at VEVOR's trailer hitch full assembly kit. So this is it. This is what it looks like. Now this is a carrying cart hitch combo. It is made of high quality professional grade steel. It is heavy duty. Obviously this is one piece. These pieces go together. I'm just showing you guys the accessories. They provide you with all the bolts needed, bracket needed for your hitch, bungee cord for tie downs, steel brackets, tie down toe straps, manual, clamps. I'm telling you guys, everything is solid steel, high quality. I mean, this is some strong stuff, my friends. They also give you cover liner as well inside the carrying pouch here. There's warning decals, the red decals on the side that are reflective. As you can see, it is very large. This is to give you guys an idea of what it would look like. So on the back of your vehicle, it's going to go, it's not going to obviously be long ways. Now there's a couple options. You can put this on the back as a hitch, a hitch cart, or I've seen some people actually mount it and rig it up themselves for on top of their vehicle. Either option you guys can do. It's kind of a do-it-yourself kit. You can follow the manual. The manual always goes through everything really simple and easy. They break everything down for you guys. Once we get it installed, I'll do an updated video. But my buddy of mine has this installed already. He said it was a little bit of a pain to line up all the bolts and everything, but he said once he got it on, he's been using it for 6+ months now, headed up when he goes hunting, put his big buck on the back. So overall, very nice, my friends. Very, very nice.